Turn signals and rear lights. Package dimensions: 19.558 L by 6.096 hx 494 W centimeters. Package weight: 0.009 kilograms. Peterson Manufacturing V313AA double face, amber park turn signal. Peterson Manufacturing V313AA double face, amber park turn signal. Features: pedestal-mount, double-face amber light. Functions as combination turn signal, parking light, or warning light. Durable, black ABS housing with 2 snap-on amber lenses. 2 lead wires exit through 1/2 euro diameter mounting stud. Grounds through mounting stud. Converts to single-face amber light by snapping on black back. Description: amber packaging, Viz Pack. Top reviews from the United States. Fit my Bobcat tractor perfectly, half the price. Excellent value, quick shipping, fit perfectly.